In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add money to the PayPal mobile app. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap, what to look for, and what to do if the add money option doesn't appear in your country. Start by opening the PayPal app on your mobile device and logging into your account. Once you're on the home screen, tap your PayPal balance. This takes you to the area where PayPal shows your current balance and related actions. Here, look for options labeled Add Money, Add to Balance, or Add from Bank. Different regions and app versions may use slightly different wording, so focus on the intent. Moving funds into your PayPal balance. If you see a Finances tab, tap it, then choose Add from your bank. From there, select your funding source. Depending on your country, you may be able to add money from a linked bank account or a debit card. If debit card top ups are supported where you live, you can pick that option. Otherwise, bank transfer is the standard route. Keep in mind that transfers may not be instant and could take some time to reflect, depending on your bank. It's important to note that adding money directly to PayPal depends on country availability. In some countries, such as the Philippines, the add money option may not appear at all. PayPal has confirmed that adding money from a bank account is not supported in certain regions, including the Philippines. If you don't see the feature, that's likely due to regional settings rather than an issue with your account. If add money isn't available to you, you can still use PayPal effectively by linking a bank account or card. In the app, tap the three horizontal lines at the bottom right, select Wallet, then tap Add New. Choose either bank account or debit credit card. Enter your card details manually or use your camera to scan the card. Once linked, you can pay with your card or bank through PayPal without preloading your balance. A quick tip: if you use PayPal for freelancing or receiving payments, you don't need to preload your balance at all. Clients can send money directly to your PayPal account, and you can transfer those funds out to your bank when needed. This is often the simplest way to manage your cash flow, especially in regions where top ups aren't supported. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more PayPal tips and tutorials.